Hello Internet Video Viewing World, and welcome back to XStreamPCReviews. And today we are doing a box opening video on the Galaxis Atlus gaming chassis. And on the front of the box we see a picture of the case, and down here it says the optimum solution for Intel Core i3, i5, i7 systems, AMD X86 quad-core systems. And on the side of the box says the Intel Core i3, i5, i7, AMD X86, one 18cm fan at the side, less than 39 degrees thermal standard Celsius, and extreme cooling design for 12cm fan capacities. 3 fans are included. And on the other side of the box, same thing as the front. And on this side of the box, item AT05A-BK, and there's also a BK BU, 5.6 kilograms weight, and the gross weight is 6.6 kilograms. This case in the box measures is about 19 pounds and measures in at 530 by 260 by 560 millimeters, and there are 2 different models. This is the ATL001BL, and there's also a ATL001RD. And let's open this up and take a closer look.
A siren in my hands.
Okay, on both sides there are regular styrofoam, and it's enclosed in a plastic bag. And on the side there's a little box that has some wire ties, some motherboard standoffs, screws, and a motherboard speaker. And at the front there are 1, 2, 3, 4 5.25-inch drive bays. Another one down here 5, and it doubles as a 3.5-inch drive. Got some vents on the front. The top ports are 2 USB, microphone, headphone, reset, power, and a turn dial. And on the front there's a window and the 18cm fan. And on the top there is one 120mm fan, and another one can be installed here. And another 120mm fan. 2 ground-mounted holes for water tubing, wires, or fingers to pass through. Motherboard aisle shield plate goes here. 7 expansion slots, more ventilation. A bottom mounted power supply would go here, and there are 4 thumb screws, 2 on each side. Let's Open this up. Take a quick look at the inside. Just look at the inside. Big cutout in the motherboard tray. Some motherboard standoffs already included, installed, and ventilation at the bottom, and another 120mm fan can get installed there. And I'd like to thank you for watching the Extreme PC Reviews box opening video of the Galaxis Atlus computer case, and I'll have a much more detailed video review to follow. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.